Hi everybody, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is There's Card Thursday, and I want to show you this great, quick, easy, fast card using one of our note cards. You know these are my favorite ones, so let's bring this down. So what we're going to need, I'm going to be using the Sitting Here, stamp set. I'm going to be using Tranquil Tide ink. I'm going to be using the Very Vanilla note card and envelopes. I'm also going to be using a piece of Very Vanilla about 2.5 by 2 inches. I'm going to be using the True Gentleman Designer Series paper 4 3/4 by 3 1/4. I'm also going to be needing glue dots and Stampin' Dimensionals. Glue dots and Stamping Dimensionals, plus the pretty label punch. So this is really a fast and easy, under a minute. Cut out your Designer Series paper, and you can place it any way you want. I'm going to place this, the brown side. Okay. Let's get this a little there. And then I'm just going to place that right there. And then I'm going to take my Tranquil Tide and I'm going to stamp the saying from the Sitting Here. This one says, "You always make me smile." And you can do this with any Designer Series paper. Just match the coloring. And then I am just going to run this around, so in the Tranquil Tide. So I just highlights it just a little bit. Put on my Stamping Dimensionals. Quick, easy, under 1 minute card. And there you go. Quick and easy card. So just want to say thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.